Achoo! 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 Oh. Hi, friends. Pastor Tabby here today. You know what? I have a cold. Have you ever gotten a cold before? It's not any fun. But to help me feel better, I have my tissues, my warm bathrobe, my nice fluffy blanket, some tea to help my throat feel better, and more tissues just in case. What makes you feel better when you have a cold? Something that always makes me feel better is reading. And today's book, The Flea's Sneeze, is the one that I thought we would read together about a poor little flea who has the sniffle kinda like me, and we find out what all his friends do to help him feel better. So why don't you come along with me and let's find out how this flea's sneeze affects all of his friends. Come along!
The Flea's Sneeze by Lynn Downey, illustrated by Carla Firehammer. On a dark, dark night, on an old, old farm, in a rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, and an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully. Shh. But not the flea. No one heard him cough. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or a rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully. Shh. But not the flea. No one heard him. Snuffle, snuffle. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully. Shh. But not the flea. No one heard his garbled plea. Does somebody have a tissue for me? Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully. Shh. But not the flea. Then, suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! It scared the cat who cried, boo-hoo, and woke the cat who hissed, maroo. It baffled the bat whose eyes turned blue and confused the cow who muttered, moo, moo. It outraged the owl who hollered, hoo, hoo, and flustered the fowl who crowed, cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog who barked, hoo, hoo, and sprayed the hog who screamed, ew, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. For all the rest of that dark, dark night, on the old, old barn in the rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. Shh. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog, and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log. Shh. Except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze.
I think I'm gonna sneeze.
The end. Wow! Thank you for helping me feel so much better by reading along on the flea's sneeze. It was really kind of his friend the mouse to give him the tissue that he needed so that he could feel better too. Until we meet again, friends, make sure you be kind and give a smile to all of those around you. Bye!